This is Alexandro Velarde. I'm a senior software developer at Tech Systems MSc. I'm creating a set of videos to create an end-to-end application from MongoDB to Angular 2. Yes, using the main stack technologies plus Typescript. So this is the application architecture. And today, we're going to create some Gulp tasks. This is our third video to clean, build our client, and a default task also, which is going to run them in sequence. So the purpose of this kata is to create a distribution folder for our API and the client. All these JS files are going to be placed there based on the output of this kata, or these Gulp tasks, basically. Don't forget to do the prerequisite section and to consider the updates for the npm modules to not have any version issues. Now, let's start the kata. Before I start, I want to show you what we have so far. We have a client folder which has a README file. We don't care about that file. The server has an API TS file which gets compiled when we run the current task that we have on the Gulp file, and configuration, typings, and everything we did on previous, in the couple of previous katas. Cannot talk right now. Okay. So that's what we have, and the purpose is basically to create a folder, a distribution folder, with the output of the client and the server code. The client, we don't have anything, right? So let's create something right now. I'm not going to put this as part of the kata because it's time consuming and it defies the purpose. It is not the main purpose of this kata. So let me do this right now. The purpose is to write a code and make it work. So I'm not considering this as part of the kata. So I'm creating components folder. Okay. I'm just simulating a real folder structure, and we'll use this later for our application. So that now we have a TS file and a main.js. You see, that's our folder structure. And for the server, we have just an API TS file, which gets compiled. Okay. So if I were to start a kata, it is time boxed to 3 minutes, so we don't have much time. I'm going to start it now. Okay, it says first, go to the build with Gulp folder. I'm already there, and open the Gulp file. Okay, second step, it says copy the TS JSON from server to client and update the module to system. Copy. This is to provide configuration for Typescript. Edit the module, change it to system. Third, it says create build client default and then run. So I will create those tasks now. First I have to import the module. And sequence. This is for the last task. This is going to clean the distribution folder. And then here, we don't want this. We want to create inside the distribution folder. And the client task is created right below it. We call this build client. The config file for the client that we copied. Okay. And this is going to be the folder distribution client. Now we want to run this in a specific sequence. We create a default task. Do not provide any name when running the task. Gulp assumes the default is the task that needs to be run. So, and then we do run sequence. And we do clean build API, build client, and that's it. So now if we run this, please ignore the errors. Okay, we're gonna have errors. Please ignore them. We'll fix them after in other. Let's see the timer. Oh, we have the timer. We have 26 seconds. So the client. Okay, we'll go to the distribution folder. We have clients folder, and we have our components. Server also. Okay, so that's it. I think we successfully completed the kata in less than 3 minutes.